Skip the Drive online job platform review, usage experience. In this video, I'll review Skip the Drive, a remote job platform that makes finding work from home opportunities easier. If you're interested, I've added a link to the platform in the description below. Skip the Drive is designed for professionals looking for fully remote jobs across various industries. Unlike some job boards that mix in-office and hybrid roles, this platform is focused exclusively on remote work, which means no more filtering through irrelevant listings. It covers a wide range of job categories, including IT, customer service, marketing, healthcare, project management, and finance, making it a great option for remote job seekers in different fields. One of the standout features is its streamlined job search. You don't need to create an account or go through complicated signups. Just visit the site, enter your job search criteria, and start browsing. Skip the Drive aggregates job listings from multiple sources, including employer websites and other job boards, saving you time by bringing everything to one place. You'll also find direct employer postings, which can sometimes offer better opportunities with less competition. Another great feature is the filtering system. You can search by job category, keyword, or company, and the site even provides estimated salary information for some roles. This helps job seekers quickly identify the best opportunities without wasting time. There's also a job alert system, so you can get notified when new positions matching your preferences become available. A potential downside is that many jobs come from third-party sites, meaning you might have to apply through an external platform rather than directly on Skip the Drive. Additionally, while the site covers a broad range of industries, the number of listings can be lower for niche roles. Overall, Skip the Drive is a solid choice for anyone looking for remote work across multiple industries. It's free, easy to use, and provides well-organized job listings without unnecessary distractions. If you're serious about finding a remote job, check out Skip the Drive using the link in the description.